Hello everybody, welcome back to my channel. Today we are going to be learning colors. Please like the video and subscribe if you're new and enjoy the class. Are you ready? Let's go. So today we're going to be learning colors. Colors. So we can say, what color is this? What color is this? The first color we have is red. This is red. This is red. This is red. We can also say, this is a red bird. This is a red bird. We can say, these are strawberries. These are red strawberries. These are red strawberries. These are red flowers. These are red flowers. Red flowers. This is a red bird. We say this is if it's one. We say these are if it's many, two or more. This is a red bird. These are red flowers. These are red cherries. These are red cherries. These are red strawberries. These are red peppers. These are red peppers. So this is red. What color is this? This is red. This is orange. What color is this? This is orange. This is orange. What color is this? This is orange. These are orange pumpkins. These are orange pumpkins. This is an orange fish. This is an orange fish. This is an orange. This is an orange. This is an orange flower. This is an orange flower. What color is this? This is yellow. This is yellow. Yellow. This is yellow. This is a yellow banana. This is a yellow banana. This is a yellow rubber duck. This is a yellow rubber duck. This is a yellow sunflower. This is a yellow sunflower. These are yellow Lego heads. These are yellow Lego heads. This is a yellow cupcake. This is a yellow cupcake. These are yellow lemons. These are yellow lemons. Because 1 and 2, so we can say these are yellow lemons. But here we just have one banana. So 1 banana. So we can say this is a yellow banana. This is a yellow banana. What color is this? This is green. This is green. What color is this? This is green. This is a green bird. This is a green bird. This is a green frog. This is a green frog. This is a green butterfly. This is a green butterfly. These are green Lego pieces. These are green Lego pieces. These are green apples. These are green apples. These are green apples. This is a green praying mantis. This is a green praying mantis. What color is this? This is blue. This is blue. Same as my t-shirt. Same as my shirt. My favorite color is blue. My favorite color is blue. What's your favorite color? Do you like pink? Do you like red? Do you like orange? What's your favorite color? You can let me know in the comments below. So, this is a blue parrot. This is a blue parrot. This is a blue bird. This is a blue bird. This is a blue piggy bank. Piggy bank. This is a blue piggy bank. These are blue shoes. These are blue shoes. These are blueberries. These are blueberries. I like to eat blueberries. This is a blue Lego man. This is a blue Lego man. These are blue flowers. These are blue flowers. What color is this? This is pink. This is pink. This is a pink piggy bank. This is a pink piggy bank. This is a pink piggy bank. This is a pink ice cream. This is a pink ice cream. I like to eat ice cream. Do you like to eat ice cream? This is a pink flamingo. This is a pink flamingo. These are pink flowers. These are pink flowers. This is a pink flamingo floaty. Floaty. What color is this? This is purple. This is purple. This is a purple robot. These are purple onions. These are purple onions. We can actually say red onions, but it's okay. These are purple onions. These are purple flowers. This is a purple bird. This is a purple bird. These are purple plants. Or you can say plants. Plants. If you're from America, you can say plants. 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 It's okay. What color is this? This is white. This is white. This is a white bird. This is a white dove. This is a white dove. This is a white cup. This is a white chair. These are white flowers. These are white flowers. These are white flowers too. What color is this? This is brown. This is brown. This is a brown bird. This is a brown bird. These are mushrooms. These are mushrooms. These are leaves. These are leaves. This is a brown butterfly. These are brown leaves. These are brown mushrooms. This is a brown bear. This is a brown bear. What color is this? This is black. This is black. This is a black cat. What is this? This is a black cat. This is a black butterfly. This is a black bird. This is a black bird. These are blackberries. These are blackberries. So now you know colors. Let's see some other objects. Vegetables. These are vegetables. These are orange carrots. These are orange pumpkins. These are red peppers. This is green broccoli. This is green broccoli. These are purple onions. These are purple onions. This is a green lettuce. This is a green lettuce. This is green asparagus. This is green asparagus. Let's go to fruit. Fruit. This is fruit. These are oranges. These are oranges. This is an orange pineapple. This is an orange pineapple. This is a yellow lemon. These are red cherries. These are red strawberries. This is an orange papaya or papaya. Papaya. Thank you everybody for watching my video. I hope you learned something today. What is this color? This is red. What is this color? This is blue. I hope you all have a great day, and please subscribe for more free content so that you can improve your English.